Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how to fix vibration not working on your iPhone and iPad after iOS 16 update. If you have updated your device to the latest version like iOS 16 and it's not working for you, then I'll show you how can you do it. So firstly you have to do one thing. For that you have to open setting and just simply go to accessibility, and now from here just simply go to touch and make sure that you have turned on vibration. If you have turned on a vibration and it's not working for you, then you have to do something more. For that open setting, then you have to locate for sound and haptics, and you have to scroll it on and make sure that if both of these together are turned on, just simply turn on both of these together and then check whether your form has been fixed or not. And if once this there guys, then what you need to do is just simply force restart your device, because maybe it glitch in your device, that's why it's not working for you. So you have to force restart your devices depending on which model you are using. Okay guys, if you have iPhone 8 or later model, just simply you have to tap on volume up button and quickly release it, and then quickly tap on volume down button, and then you have to tap on side button and hold it, and you have to hold the side button until Apple logo will appear, and after that check whether your form has been fixed or not. And if once this there, then you have to go to the control center, and here you have to make sure that if DND mode is turned off, and you have to also make sure that you have turned off low power mode. Just simply turn off low power mode and then check whether your form has been fixed or not. And if once it is there, then you have to finally do one thing more. For that open setting, then you have to tap on general, scroll it down all the way, tap on transfer reset, tap on reset. So you have to reset your all setting. Now just simply tap on restore all settings. This will delete all networks and notice of media will be deleted. Just simply restore all settings. After that, hopefully your problem will be fixed. So that's the guys for today's video. If the video is helpful, please like and comment, share. Thanks for watching.